Hi. So I've been slowly converting everyone to Misfits Market. Somebody made a joke that I should do an unboxing video, so here we go. This is my done unboxing video. This week's recipe is parsnip potato cakes. I do like parsnips. Alright. There's always way too much crap in here. I have so many ice packs. If anyone needs ice packs, you should just tell me, because I have so many. Mushrooms, yay! I ordered this extra. That doesn't count as surprise excitement. Apples. Ooh, tiny tomatoes. Yay! Actually, I'm really excited. Ooh. So this is the part where I get confused. Okay, they have on the rubber band it says collards. I never freaking know. I'm always just like, oh, it's a green thing. Bib lettuce, I think, maybe. It's a green thing. Ooh, more eggplant. I love eggplant. I made our eggplant parmesan the last eggplant. These are some sort of pear. It's a pair of pears. I'm an adult. Ooh, yay, more paper. More celery. I get an abundance of celery. I keep making jambalaya or getting pimento cheese or hummus because I don't know what else to do with the celery. Peanut butter? Peanut butter and celery is good. I don't know. Ooh, cabbage. Oh, that sausage cabbage thing I made the other day. But the last time I got cabbage was really good. I'll do that again. Ooh, it's the world's tiniest, cutest spaghetti squash. I love a tiny spaghetti squash. See, if I gotten that last week when I got last time when I got my old eggplant, my eggplant parmesan, this would have been perfect. I've just been eating eggplant parmesan by itself like a heathen. Oranges. They send me lots of oranges. I sometimes don't know what to do with the plethora of oranges. Another apple. Another pear. Oh, now I have a trio of pears. Radishes? I think these are all radishes. They look radishy. Radishes. Yay. Ah, there's many. Many radishes. I believe them to be radishes. And potatoes, which is great because I was about to make my green bean Cajun potato thing. So this actually helps me fill out my potatoes. I needed potatoes. And that is all the things. Also, these boxes are like the bomb. So if you're going to move, Misfit Market boxes double as moving stuff. So there you go. That's my unboxing video. Bye.